folks, for another episode of Dom's Fishing Adventures. It's my first day of holidays from work and this weather is shocking. It's already the second day of my holidays. I'm really jacked off. Anyway, I decided to brave it out with the elements to come out here and just go for a bit of a flick. So stay tuned. It's target species, the usual calamari. It's a new spot for me, so who knows what's going to happen. So as I said, I'm fishing at a new spot. I'm very close into the shore because that's where I can only find some weed patches. I'm probably in about maybe 2 meters of water, so I'm using some pretty small jigs. I've got a size 3. You don't want to go any more heavier than that because you'll get stuck to the bottom. Right, come on. Just go to this real dark area. You can see it. Straight away he was on. Okay, lovely. Ah! Oh mate, you pay me back. You got me right in the bloody noggin. Good on you, mate. Now he's gonna wheel me. Bloody hell. I got no manners. It looks quite promising here. As I said, I don't usually come down here, and the weather's really starting to pick up. So hopefully I'll get a couple more, go home, might do a catch and cook today. It's windy. We got one. Like a good one too. Okay. There he is. Let's see if I can get him on it. Alright. Nice. Hey. Yeah. Ooh, I love this on the handline. I just saw him in the water. See, not that big, but that's a beauty. As I said, I saw him in the water going for it. I'm surprised he went for the blue. Right, it's taken me about 2 hours to get this one. Yeah. What we're going to do is just going to move into the harbour, drift around a bit because this wind is really picking up, and forecast this is not going to ease down until tomorrow morning, so it's going to be one of those trips. Right, viewers, what we're going to do now after that fishing trip, we only caught the 3. I'm going to keep one for later on, but I'm going to cook these 2 nice little calamari. Right, I'm going to cook them on the barbie. I'm going to grill them. Very simple dish. Keep it simple and you'll never fail with calamari. Let's have a look what we're going to do. So what we're going to do is quickly clean the calamari I've shown you this before. You just pry off this little plastic backbone, put your finger down there, hold on to it, give it a nice little twist. Okay, you get yourself the body. Now I'm not going to clean the skin on this, I'm going to leave it like that. Yeah, so I got the head here. What I want to do is just cut the guts. We're going to be keeping this. Now what I learned as well on a few Facebook pages that I didn't realise, but you actually got a bit of meat along here. So this little fillet, so I'm going to cut those and keep them. Whatever you do, don't break the ink sac because you're going to get black all over the place. So I'm going to keep all this, just ply it off. So all this is all edible. So when you're catching very little, don't waste it because that's all good tucker. So that's it, the two nice clean squid. We've kept all the meat, all the edible items. I even left the skin on because I want to try something new. Okay, so lucky I've got a bit of a herb garden here, so I'm just going to pick up some fresh parsley. So just get it that much there. Bit more. Bit of basil. Got a lemon. And got a nice zucchini. So just twist it. Nice zucchini. So I've got all the ingredients here. Parsley, crushed chilli, bit of garlic, salt, oil, put it in the pan there. And the parsley, slice it up into little pieces. And the basil, nothing too flash. Got the chilli, it's dried. Again, you just chop it up in little pieces. Okay, what we're going to do is put this in the oil. Bit of lemon. There we go. Squash it up, put that in there. Beauty. Bit of salt, oil, garlic, garlic here. Chuck it in, give it a nice little stir. Right, parsley's chopped up too big, you've got to make it smaller pieces, who cares. Backyard Dom's cooking edition, so you don't get too fancy. So I just sliced up the zucchini, put a bit of oil, salt, lemon. Right, just taste the marinade. Oh, it's really good. The lemon and the oil and the chili, it really tastes nice and fresh. Now what we're going to do is put in our marinade mix on top of the calamari. Make sure you put a bit inside to the tube. That looks fantastic. What we're going to do is put it on the grill, on the hot plate, not the grill, really hot. Sprinkle some oil over it. And the trick is to keep it nice and moist. You don't want to dry out the calamari. So I'm going to chuck on the zucchinis around the edges. There we go, turn it upside down. Now we get the calamari and just slap it on like that. This one here too. Slap it on. Oh, you can start to hear that. Cook it up. Little pieces. Sauce. There you go. Woohoo! This is looking fantastic. I'll keep this for later when I turn it upside down to give it a bit more sauce. Looking pretty good. This is the live. Got this one here. Turn it upside down. Yeah, this is fantastic. Bread here, chuck it on, suck up all those juices. There we go. Turn it upside down again. Turn it around. What do you reckon, Mum? Almost ready? Looking good. Hang on. Yeah, bit of lemon. Oh yeah. Bit more salt. Keep yourself hydrated. Mum got a bit jealous of my cooking capabilities, which is pretty hard to do. What she does is cook some killer prawns. In Italian they're called paranocchie. Oh, nice job there, Mum. So we're going to chuck that with the calamari. We're going to have a feast today. Thanks, Mum. You're the best. So that's how you do it. Good calamari with zucchini. Bit of bread sticks there. The Yummo. Bit of Pinot Grigio. Okay, now it's time for the truth. You see how it went. I'm starving. Hard day's fishing. I'm digging into this calamari. Grilled on the barbecue. That is superb. It's probably one of the best calamari dishes besides what my mum did a few weeks ago for this Filipino. This is how you meant to cook calamari grilled on the barbie. Bit of crusty bread, glass of white wine. What else do you want? Anyway, I'm going to tuck into this. Thanks very much for watching. If you like what I'm doing and you want to keep up to date, press the button there, subscribe. Thanks very much. We'll see you next time. Salud. Oh, I forgot. Next episode, maybe, we'll show you how to cook these. Thanks, guys. Bloody beautiful, Mum. With more wine. This is the life.